if we have, like so many of us do, physical issues where we can't do full lotus posture, upright sitting without a cushion. We have to sit in whatever ways we can. And sure, it's great to sit cross-legged on the floor, but if that doesn't work, no problem whatsoever. We find the postures that suit us to maintain an energized mind. So we're present, we're not falling asleep. And so if we get really comfortable lying down, that is more a danger in the lying down posture, to keep energized in that posture. And also we can remember it changes over time. So to really have a lot of compassion for the aging body, the body that develops this and that ailment, and adjust accordingly with kindness and appreciation, because of course we can continue to practice. So all four postures, it's good to be mindful. Of course, this whole training is to be mindful whatever we're doing. So in all the different postures. And so it can actually be helpful to meditate in the four postures: sitting, standing, lying down, and walking. So we get to give ourselves the gift of mindfulness in those postures, training for mindfulness, and we can then apply that to whatever else we're doing out of the formal meditation time.